Hey there everyone, this is John. I have a random cold start for you. My chainsaw, one of the many toys in my box. It's a poulan with a 16-inch bar, 2-stroke. Don't know how many cc's the engine is. Doesn't say. Oh well. Here we go. Let's start it. Prime, prime, prime. Choke. Almost. This one's hard to start. It doesn't always cooperate, but we'll get it there. Oh, hell. This you will disapprove of. I learned how to start chainsaws like this quite a while ago. It just doesn't want to go. How strange. Well, make a liar out of me. Alright, thanks for watching.